What are we doing, Jess?
Walking on train tracks.
Because, of course, Cranbourne is shitty and it's got no trains that run on a fucking Sunday.
So now we have to walk forever.
We have to walk from Marinda Park Station, or wherever it's called, all the way over there, which to Cranbourne Station, so we can catch a bus to Frangabagger, and then I can go to the city. Jess, do you want to hold the camera?
Not really, but alright.
Keep it off.
Yeah, so
I look like shit, by the way.
we're walking forever. This is how far we've walked. Hungover.
Hungover as fuck. Not that I drank much last night.
And I want potato cakes.
Now what? Oi! I want potato cakes.
I want juice.
Oh, I feel sick.
This hurts
oh
and
my god,
thumbs,
everybody,
kids.
look at my new piercing.
Yay!
You're holding it like that. Everyone has to turn their heads on YouTube.
Sorry! Which way am I supposed to hold it?
That. No.
Sorry, kiddos!
That. It'd be so funny right now if all of a sudden a train came and you watched the sky.
Sky, grass, train.
Jess, we're not going to be in the video much because everyone's just going to be like, wow, train tracks.
Sorry! This is why I used to be holding it.
Yes, that wasn't me just nearly falling over people. I am going to the city today and I'm going to see Justin. I need a heart. Hold it for a second.
And I'm going home to be a loner.
Daddy Justin! Get us back. We just came from Damien's. And Jess drank too much.
Not really.
Not me, of course. Shut up.
No, not at all.
Elevate is bad. And so is straight crap. Ugh. Yeah. Shit. Not that I'm walking badly. Shit. No step.
I think we're gonna die. There's like crows surrounding us like vultures.
Yes, where both where?
Over here.
Oh god, there's a bird. Yeah, this is a boring video, so people say bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Waves.